Tim, size like a shovel, faced the dead excavator. No power, grumbled Dad. Like a phone with 0 bars. Tim fiddled. Maybe batteries? Dad scoffed. Excavators don't take ass, shrimp. He checked wires. Nothing. Tim just stared. A robin chirped inside the engine. Nest and all. Dad blinked. Bird power theft. Tim giggled. The problem? Feathers in the fuel line. Dad, covered in soot, yelled, "Bird seed's cheaper than diesel, I guess." Excavator roared. Tim cheered. Victory tasted like worms. Almost. Sometimes, big problems have tiny, feathered solutions. And dad jokes